Let me show you how I turned these beautiful oils to one luxury oil, and also I went ahead to bless it with some rose petals. Welcome to my channel. To make this super glowing anti-aging luxury oil, I'll first be needing my rosehip carrier oil, which is a very beautiful brightener. I'll be displaying the benefits of these oils on the screen, so just read through. The next, I'm going to be adding my Moroccan argan oil, which is the chief of all anti-aging and skin repair oils. And then is my fish oil, also known as omega-3 carrier oil. This one wears the crown when it comes to skin glow and anti-aging. And then I'm going to be adding my sweet almond oil. This oil is a very beautiful non-comedogenic oil that is suitable for all skin types, and with the oils already listed, you should know why I call this oil luxury. So this beaker too full, I'm just gonna transfer into a beaker before I continue adding my oils. Please, if this is your first video watching on here on Prime Side, we make beautiful skincare and hair care recipes, natural and effective. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And then I'm going to be adding my sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is a very great choice in a brightening product like this. It contains super antioxidants and also contains beta carotenes that helps to protect the skin from UV rays and sun damage. I'll go ahead to bless those oils with some essential oils. Here I'm using rose essential oil. Rose is packed with lots of antioxidants, and I also wanted a floral smell. And give a good stir and our oils are ready. I'm just going to get my bottles, fill them up with some rose petals, and then before I pour in my oil. Let's recall that this oil contains rosehip carrier oil, Moroccan argan oil, omega-3 carrier oil, sweet almond oil, and even sea buckthorn. So at least when we call this luxury, we would not be exaggerating. This oil can be used on the body and also can be used on the face if your face is not the very oily kind of face. Now, this oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, and your skin would definitely love to have a taste of this. This oil is safe to be used by any type of skin and even sensitive skin. Babies can use this, and you can also use this in your V area. It is very safe. This oil can also serve for personal use and can also serve for commercial purposes if you run a luxury brand, because the oils used here are not cheap. You can also go ahead to add an antioxidant like vitamin E oil, but I chose not to add this here because the oil is already packed with a lot of antioxidants. So here's the finished look of our oil, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, please take care and have a lovely day.